Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Citizen Times. Today I will show you two sites in Make Money Online. First, I am going to my browser, new tab, I type moneyguru.co and create account. Enter your full name, enter your username, enter your email, password, retype password, click agree and click continue. When you click continue, then you create your account. I have an account, that's why I am login my account. And again I am saying, if you create this account, then you get $10 bonus. Now I am click sign. This is my dashboard. This site provides a lot of tasks. Complete survey, get on $5. Download app, get $5. Refer $5. Social media marketing or sites provide in your social media, then you get $10. Click open center. It provide a reward or different types of products. You share in this your referral, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, VK, Pinterest, and look at monthly leadership board. And people earn in this site. And it's a live chat option. If you need any question, make any question, then you click here. Another site, $5 task, reward wall, refer, social media task, refer center, promo, gift card, payment, a lot of options. Now click payment option. I have $69, that's why I don't open it and look at this. So warning, unconfigured payment. If your turn find any fake refer, click the payment not approved, your account will be banned. That's why obviously you are define your marketing policy. When you complete $100, then you submit your payment. And payment system, PayPal, CashPay, Venmo, Bitcoin, MilePay. Provide Bitcoin. When it's completed $100, pay, and my balance under the $100. Now I'm going to how to work this site. First $5 task. If you complete this task, then you get $5. Review work. In this, going to the link, then you provide your review, then you get $1. Now earn to refer. Copy this link and share in Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, VK or Pinterest. Then you get your reward. If you refer, you earn $5. Social media task. If you share in a video about site, then you get $10. YouTube upload, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Reward center. The reward center, when you complete this coin, 10,000 coin, then you claim this notepad. 15,000 coin, then you click this what a lot of product and select in promo or offer and some gift card in this side. Complete your coins, then you collect this. And already I am showing my payment system in this side, and I am provide same types of site. Sharecash.online. When you click 25 sign up bonus, then you click, enter your name, username, email, password, retype password, agree and sign up. Then you confirm your account. I have an account, that's why I am login my account. Look at this, my account. Same as it's processing, refer earning processing. If you share this link in this site, then you get offer. And $20 task wall. If you complete this task, then you get $20 promotional. If you promote this site in another social site, then you use this image and promote. If you make a video in this site related and review your site and using this title and using description on your video description box, then you get $25. And when you publish your video, then provide your video link in and submit, then you get $25. Same as Facebook video. You have make a video using Facebook in this site related video and it content provide in this link or in this description, then you post, and when you completed your post, then you copy your post URL and paste inside and submit. If you make a Facebook post in this title, and when you complete your post, then your post URL and copy and paste, then submit. Same as you post in Instagram, then you $25, and same as Snapchat video and TikTok video. Same in this here is a reward center and load product, same as product in this marketplace. This side are probably same. Now payment option. This side differ some cash out option. If you select PayPal and select PayPal, that's why it's showing PayPal, and the side preview your payment proof in how much people get a payment in this side. Look at this, lot of payment proof on this side. Now you set your mind and work this side. If you like this side is a legit, then you work, otherwise avoid this side. And anybody can join this side, then use my URL. Look at this, and this is my URL. If you comment this side name, then I am provide my referral ID. Same as this site is also be in there. If you like this site and join this site, if you like the site is legit, then you join and work, otherwise you not work in this site. If you work in this site, then you use my referral ID. When you comment this site's name, then I am provide in my referral ID. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you are a new viewer, then subscribe my channel, and if you are already subscribed my channel, then watch my video. Thank you all.